I'm Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, bringing you your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all things fun here in rocking Richmond County. Tonight we have the Richmond County Photography Group that will have their monthly meeting in downtown Rockingham at Arts Richmond. Norton Farms will start their 3 nights of live music and food trucks in the backyard. And in Hamlet, Axe to Grind will have bow tie with music bingo. Tomorrow will be day 1 of the Fall Feet Retreat, and that is at Millstone 4-H. It will also be day 1 of the Sandhills Fall Trail Ride, and that starts at the Clubhouse, the NC Field Clubhouse in Hoffman. Mega Park in Hamlet will be open from 1 until 11 p.m. tomorrow, Friday, Saturday opening, and Sunday at 1 p.m. and closing at 6 p.m. Norton Farms will have the backyard going with live music and food trucks. You can see Crystal Norton's Facebook page to see the full lineup of food trucks and artists performing live music. Saturday, the 21st, Derby Fire Department will have a bulk chicken sale. This starts at 9 a.m. The Richmond Raider Band will have a fundraiser, and this will be at VFW in Rockingham, and they will be selling hot dog plates. Saturday night, the 21st, Hospice has their big annual event at Cole Auditorium. Mabry's Home Care and Drug presents Taste of the Sandhills, Dancing with the Stars. Tickets are sold out for this event, but if you happen to come across any, it will be an event you do not want to miss at Cole Auditorium. Live music will be in the lounge at Strikers with Chance Howland. Also at Norton Farms in the backyard, and in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, Bowtie will be there with karaoke. Sunday, September the 22nd, Rockingham Dragway will have the Hustle. It is a no prep event on the front side. You can see more information on that event on Rockingham Dragway's website and also Instagram and Facebook. Sunday afternoon at Hitchcock Creek, Flora and Fauna Festivities is hosting a Carolina Critters event. This starts at 2 p.m. You can purchase tickets and see more information on their website and also the Facebook event page. For more information on all of these events and more upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. We hope to see you around town. If not, we will definitely see you next week.